Umaasa si House Trial spokesperson at Lanao del Sur 1st District Representative Sia Alonto Adjong na maipepresenta ng House Prosecution Team ang lahat ng ebidensya laban sa Vice Presidente.
Ang gusto lang natin ma-establish is that it will be given enough time for all the articles to be aired, to be explained to the public because again, we are all stakeholders in this case, in this issue.
Bukod dito, umaasa rin si House Trial spokesperson Adjong na magkakaroon ng pagkakataon ang kampo ng defense at prosecution na mailahad ang kani-kanilang ebidensya.
And this is the perfect and democratic venue for both sides to air their complaint. So yun lang po yung pinaninindigan na substantial time to give both sides the proper, the adequate time for them to express and present their evidences because ultimately the people wants to hear evidences, wants to see kung ano yung nilalaman nitong mga allegations na ito.